Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to share you after the storm, after the snowstorm, and this is the mountain of snow. But it's not that bad. Everything is okay. So it is early in the morning, and I just want to share you all the after the snowstorm. It is really a blizzard. I'm gonna turn the camera so we can see better. It has been a long time that we don't have this storm. It's many years. Only yesterday, but it's okay. That is a mother nature. So we are going to start clean up a little bit. The main road is clean, so the car can run. So this is it. It's up to my almost in my knee, and windy, but it's not bad. You see the trees, very pretty. I'm gonna zoom it. See, so I hope everyone is enjoying the snow, because I'm going to start clean up a little bit the driveway, and go inside because it's very cold. See, well, and windy, still windy, but the sun is out. So oops. So you can see my footsteps. That's my footstep. Ooh. But very exciting because it's been a long time, guys. We don't have snow, so it's dangerous. You have to be very careful. In a couple of days, it's gonna be slippery and flood because it's gonna melt. But for now, it's very cold, so it's gonna be slippery. Alright, guys, so that's the main road out there, and I think it is clean. So it's okay, everything is good. So enjoy, everyone, to see this content. It's after the snow, after the snowstorm. And please subscribe to my channel, Lourdes McRae, and like, share, and comment. And you can see a lot of Hampton, New York City, Queens. Okay, bye for now. God bless. Thank you for watching.